time to bring out the big guns. You're not a very good plumber. I don't know what else to do. I'll show you. We can use this to see down there. We can see it. Let's see what the problem is. Okay. The disposal works. So you're... I have to use the bathroom. All basically is all the stuff that didn't make it to YouTube. Or click down there to watch. Subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Oh my god! I'm there.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Your turn.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas.
Now change those sound to an A. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Your turn.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas.
Now change those A sound to an E. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Your turn.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas.
Now change those E sound to an I. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Your turn.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas.
Hey kids, today we got a big giant collection of bug toys thing. Is that what it looks like to you?
Yeah.
There's that. That giant beetle, he's got some big pinchers. Another beetle thing. What do you think he eats? Next one is that. What is that?
I don't know.
What? Next. What does that look like to you? You know what that's called?
What?
It's called a praying mantis.
Yeah, praying mantis. Butterfly.
Very good. And the last one we got,
Well, we got pinches.
he's got pinchers too.
Yeah.
Good thing those bugs aren't alive. Safari big giant bug collection. All right, we're done with the video. Do you want to go?
starving. Wait, I forgot. I need to go get my drink. If you like this video for more, look up there will be real life worms down there. As always, please subscribe for more fun. That's right. Well, your lack of responsibility is not my problem. I'm gonna turn off the Xbox. What? It's time to go to school. He's coming. Down for a second.
Well, I guess you could stay home today. It's just, I'm not gonna be here.
Not sick. Mom, you found fine 2 seconds ago.
Well, just in case I would. Okay, well, I want you to rest today. No messing around, no getting.
Mom, he's not sick.
Cole, you just need to worry about yourself. Now let's go get in the car before. Hey, you make sure to call me if you need anything, okay?
I won't, Mom. All right, let's see what we have.
We got
In. Oh, confetti cannon, huh? This will come in handy too. Ethan's. Oh, it's 2 o'clock. It's almost showtime. Great. I wonder what I'm gonna walk into. What is this? You, good sir. Would you like to be our first? Can you make it to Ethan's fun house? No, because I'm not going to. That, because I am smarter. In this corner. In that corner, we have the toughest, strongest robot around. What is that? Oh, and that, my friend, is Robo-Pen. Robo-Pen is taking an early lead. Your robot can hit me here. Let's get you moving into that fun house. Uh-oh. It seems as though... Nice try, Ethan. Ladies and gentlemen. That was confetti cannon number 2. Where's Blaster in here? Where's that robot? Because it is quite obvious. Another victory. I didn't want that easy! Why don't you come get me? And go through your tricks again? No, I'll be down. What? Turn.
Oh, Ethan!
R.I.P. Ethan. Picture of the week comes from Strong and Ryan. I got some wristband, even though check out Ethan's too. The links are below. And we'll see you all next week. Come on. Uh-oh. What a piece of junk.